It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people. Today topic now for one of our sister. She say she really needs una advice, because what is some men they do to some women, if you should come for eye sometimes tears no go even come out for what is some men they do to our women. That make me want to talk this topic today. So my people, this our sister, she say in they follow this man for how many years now? In with this man, they jolly, that they friend each other, they think they good way for them, But he said the guy when they date and the guy they nice, the guy fair get like 3 children for Africa. So in fact, if I get woman, but he can't tell this our sister say in with the man, they not they together again for years now. So they agree, make this our sister make friend though. Say love and well because they agree me make friend. He say not get any friend. He just they follow this man anything where the man tell and they do, So he say with this man can't they everything they go well for them, So but he said that time okro they enter that time for her, but the man go say this okro I never need them now. He go see Trobian. He say if okro enter, the man go say he never need them. She go see Trobian. So nothing when the man can't take am serious, 2 of them can't date together. So the man can say he wants this okro now. Okro not going to enter again. He can't do 2 of the day together or okro not going to enter. He says so. He can't the year say they say with that a woman for Africa they don't settle. If you go Africa and with the woman they see. So but the man can't tell and say na lie, say na room or nothing like that. Say he can't really believe he don't know say na lie. See this man they still go they see. If you go Africa and with that a woman and they did together. So because the man tell her say nothing like that, so she can't really believe. I don't know say that lie, and the man they tell him. He said so. Then you can't tell this man say you sure because in the year say you with this woman don't settle together and the phone call they receive sometimes because I can't ask this our sister say they receive some kind of phone call for where you dey. He said they receive but they like they make say now the woman but they get the way you go to receive the call she know the code some men now they sabi play game well no so now later now you can't know say this man can't go Africa we date to when they go Africa he say he beat her not be small. He said not be small beating this man beat her. He said now God now he save her say she see they talk this story so I say and so some maybe he said so he don't know say that because of that a woman he don't know whether that's na medi na something that he take call the woman he don't know. He say he surprised that is better than something he take call the man. He say he don't know. He say he just surprised that this man just go Africa go stay with this woman. So according to her she say she the reason I say maybe na something that ex woman use for him and whether not the woman see cause away be say she okro not grow for her again he don't know because she and this sister so not be small pikin again no men looking at her but she fine. He said this man not the agree may he make friends. He say not get any friend. He don't know anywhere and so this man they lock her for his house. Say women now if man they lock them for his house do you believe in our love? Do you believe in our love and say the man love dynamic they agree make they come for us. But for me I feel saying a lie. Those are not with love, you understand? He says so and so with this man can't say they before this man can finally go Africa go marry that woman where they Africa we born 3 children for him can go marry him can go put money for that one head she dey here. This relationship when I told us not be 1 year 2 years which they follow this man 8 good years just waste 8 good years now just waste for this our sister 8 good years sometimes wetin some of our men dey do, they go use their hand take cause problem finish. They begin they give wish, they give this, whereas now wetin they use their hand take cause. So he say nah, this our brother now, they beg this our sister now, say he wan settle with am back, because that he say he no know how to see himself for Africa. He no know he take go marry that woman back, because na woman wey talk say he no want again because of the way the woman take treat am that time before he come up for Africa. Nah. He say he no know wetin happen. He say in the look and say na jazz make this woman settle with am. The woman say lie. He no go fit settle with am. So my people, wetin una think for this topic? Una feel say na jazz that woman use, or this man really love this our sister? For me, me they look and say he no love am. Now pretend they pretend. Maybe that because of wetin he dey get from this our sister, then they can deal with am. Because for me, now wetin me reason. I no reason I say na love he get for am, my people. Me I no reason like that. But according to this our sister, he say the man say in the look and say na jazz, but she no go ever forgive this man for wetin he do am. For that 8 years when he waste with am. Now she dey even come out now. Now she can't even the girlfriend now. So this man now in dey beg this our sister now. He dey beg her now say because I beg now jazz he not believe this woman use something for am. Before you can realize now he dey too late for am. He dey too late. I beg this that, you know. For me I not believe this man. I not believe this man, my people, because you say na something like this woman use for you. You can't go see yourself for Africa, go marry him. You don't marry and finish now, they come back now. One come beg this one for years, say make una settle back. Like seriously. Like really, like seriously. Okay, this woman now does spend 8 years with you. No okra. Nothing. You know? This woman now saying the reason I say I've been a that woman for Africa. Na even look and will be say she defend the every time the okra the always they enter. Nah, you know green enter again. He saying they suspect the man. He saying they suspect that woman for Africa. Saying I ain't cause am. Who know whether this one they take something for here to make so that make that okra not enter? Because they know they trust all those men finish. They know they trust them finish, my people. Yeah. Now what it mean? I'm missing the reason, because all those men, my dear, some men who not be all, they lie die. You understand? Because he know what they do this woman, I make an agreement the woman get friend. You understand me? Now this woman can't even they come out now. Now she can't even they make friend now. She can't even they try to make herself happy now. You know, some men they very wicked. You know, my people, I'm not reason this thing now. Pikin where they born for 8 years. No know how many years when they go there now. No know how many years when this man just waste with this woman. This woman not be small pikin again. Not be say she gets more body. Not be small pikin again. Not be small pikin. For what did this man do to this woman? It no good at all. Oh guy, if now your sister they do this thing, so you go there happy. You go there happy for you to your follow woman for good 8 years. At the end, you go gone like that. You just got this woman just like that. It dey very painful, my people. It dey very painful. You know, I really feel for her. Women, more than learn from this one. If they follow my they always they talk. More than they let the relationship say well. At least, if you can't too take, let's assume say you can't too take. 1 year say they okay. 6 months, if you not defend the shoulder, at least 6 months. Ask the man. One marry or not, man know my stand. You know me say you they ask and say me marry you. Where this relationship, where they lead us to? Where they lead us to? Because we with the reason I say if I can't ask man and the man can't they look me say I they cheap, or the man can't they look me say I they use body they say me marry me. No, ask him question. A question that you ask. He respond, then I go tell you say be like say this man I just know with the jogo do that day. So that you quit run. You understand me? Because me, no, they don't get problem. But woman, now get problem. Woman, if menopause don't knock for your door, my dear, you not go feel Lambo. I die low, it's too late. You understand? But if you just see the handwriting for war, quit run. Because we women, so the men they show us who say they don't want to, we'll see they there. Some of us. The men they really show us say I don't want, but we say no, I love them. I want stay there. Yeah, e get one when I know wey be say one girl na my friend before wey dey friend this guy for how many years now. He say the guy he say if he say she don turn semo, she don tire. He say the guy get children with oyibo. He say if he go the boy house, if she dey even dey talk about children, the guy go dey say abeg change topic because he don dey okay now. Person wey come get 3 children with oyibo, even though he no come ever born again sef, he no even care. You understand me? He say na there he come say be like say this guy he no send am o. Even he come notice am say he even get medicine wey the guy dey even dey take. So when he come show his daughter, the daughter come tell am say this medicine if the guy dey take am, you no go quick okra no quick enter. Say na you come say okay, no wonder. He say the guy no dey even care. He say she don turn semo with him hand, he don tire. Now he come say this guy no really want am o. Na so he come tell boof the guy now. So we women, if you dey friend man, you say the man get wife for Africa, that is, he go tell you say they no dey again, like they no believe am. Find that very well, cause some dey lie. Find that very well, so that may wetin happen to this our sister may not go happen to you, because many men dey lie die, they too dey lie. You will surprise them with the woman see dey we go dey lie say they no dey again, they no dey again. Whereas now wetin dey gain from you, now make it dey lie that lie o. Wetin dey gain from you, because he knows if he leave you now, e go hard. Yeah, he get one wey be say he carry him own husband. He lie to his friend. He lie to his friend say na his brother, him own husband wey they don born children together. He lie to her best friend say na his brother. This that friend can't really dey with this your husband because he dey Europe. So in with the man that they play game together, they shop the woman money. The woman don't know. All those women, men know. If you not go surprise say for me, waiting me the reason say that woman in with this man that they play game together ever since with this woman. I didn't know because this woman get money. That they play game. They shop the woman money. She don't know. He say if people want to talk, they say you did nice. You did nice where. You know, this is what our brother do you so. You be very nice woman, no worry. No worry. Because our brother do you so we know like what this our brother do to you. Whereas all of them are plan work. Plan work. That woman for me, even with that man, they don't get time when they separate. Then he lied to this woman. He lied to her because many men that they lie too much. He lied to her. For me, now waiting me reason be that one because they don't they trust this our men finish. Some of them. They don't they trust them finish. You understand me? So I really feel for this our sister. So if you did that kind of relationship, now I beg, advise yourself before you go too late to advise yourself because I don't know, my dear. You go pull on for eye, tears not go come out. Tears not go come out. Men they not get problem. Women now they queen enter menopause. So men they still marry at any time where they like. You understand? But woman, if menopause don't they knock for your dog, you go they knock. When you go they knock, when you go they see your flower, you go they drop small. You go stop. You go drop. You go stop. You go drop. You go stop. You from there you know say okay. The thing that they knock for your dog, open door make her enter. Open door make her enter because the thing that they reach. But men, they don't got problem, bo. They can even marry at the age of 50, 60, 70. They still born. So women, we wanna get sense. So I beg women, wanna learn 1 or 2 things for this topic. I not just sit down here, come they talk. Say na me talk pass. No, I they talk because this thing are really true life story. So wanna learn 1 or 2 things from inside though. Our women where they do relationship like 10 years, 20 years. Now do this video for my dear. A relationship where to say no good. If you too say for me, the reason I say I pity they will make the men they follow now. Now pity because it don't say may not come be like that. You live and just like that. Say hey, we all see the body follow you there. But I bet it might not be where you there again. If they follow you because of pity, you understand me? So my people. make una learn one or two things from this topic. So you will get here, may you hear. So thank you everybody, take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And my people, subscribe. You don't take money. You don't cost anything. Just hit that red light where they there. Now be say you don't subscribe, and just turn on the notification bell so that if I put any video, they will just give you notice. Say Lady J TV don't put topic for there. You don't put video for there. So you quick be the first person we go fair watch the video. So you will see this video. Please share it for me so that make you reach everybody. And if you like this video, please always put thumbs up for me. Thank you everybody, take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye everybody, bye.